Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Firstly, let me introduce myself. My name is Silvio Nesaroy, and my student number is 1210171056. In this opportunity, I would like to show you about my future final project presentation. My final project presentation title is Design and Realization of Dual-band Slotted Waveguide Antenna for Radar Applications. I'm doing this with two advisors, with Mr. Budi Aswoyo, Master of Science, and Mr. Duyanto, Master of Science. So let's go to the next section. First of all, I will explain to you about the roadmap of this presentation. The first one is the background of the research. The second one is the research purpose. The third one is formulation of the problem. Then problem limitation, methodology, and the last one is expected result. So the idea or the background of this research comes from the using of radar system has become an essential technology for all countries. There are so many radar that has been proposed based on its usefulness, like weather radar or maritime radar. By using dual-band slotted waveguide antenna, it will improve the function of the radar, because the radar can be used on different frequency. So, the radar will be multi-purpose, in order to acquire a greater amount of information on a particular region. The research purpose is to design and analyze an antenna that is applied to dual-band radar system on S-band and X-band by using slotted waveguide antenna. So it will be a prototype of dual-band slotted waveguide antenna that operates in S-band and X-band. So this slide is showing the formulation of problem. First one is how to analyze the antenna needs to be applied to the dual-band radar. The next one is how to design an antenna to be applied on dual-band radar, and how to optimize the antenna design to meet the required antenna specifications. But in this final project also has some problem of limitations. The first one is the antenna that being used is slotted waveguide antenna. It is using 3 GHz frequency for S-band and 10 GHz frequency for X-band. Using pressed logam material for the antenna, CST Studio Suite 2017 used for design and simulation of the antenna. Only a few parameters are used, like the value of return loss, VSWR, bandwidth, radiation pattern, polarization, and gain. The design, simulation, fabrication, and analysis only for slotted waveguide antenna, not integrated with radar system. The methodology to design this antenna as shown in the picture. It started from determining the antenna specifications, then calculate the parameters of the antenna in order to know the dimension of the antenna. The design and simulations are using CST Studio Suite 2017. If the specifications of the antenna are same as expected, then fabricate it. If no, it has to optimize the design again until the specifications of the design as expected. Test the antenna as a result from the fabrication, and the last one is to analyze it. And the last section of this presentation is expected result. The proposed antenna provides 2 operational bandwidth while maintaining high gain. At the same time, it is enabled to sense different targets with the same device in order to reducing cost and the size also. So, it was my presentation. Thank you for your attention, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.